Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to exchange your Rev points for money on Revolut. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the rewards or Rev points section from the main dashboard. Step 3. Browse the available rewards or exchange options. If the option to convert points to cash is available, you will see it listed there. Step 4. Tap on Cash Out or Convert to Money and enter the number of points you want to exchange. Step 5. Confirm the transaction and the converted amount will be added to your main Revolut balance. And take note that this feature may vary by region or account type. So make sure that your app is up to date and check your eligibility in your local reward terms. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.